There are many ways to install WordPress FTP file uploader, but the easiest one is Softaculous. Now, these three options on your screen, any one of these three will lead you to Softaculous app installer. Now, click on anyone and you have this page available. Now, just click on install at the top, easy PC, and then you can decide on this page the version of WordPress that you want to install. And of course, you have to delete this folder extension so that you can install it on the root folder of the domain that you intend to install WordPress. Put in your username, your password, and the email for installation. Go ahead, click that install, and like magic, few seconds, your WordPress is installed. You can click on the first link to see the front page. Yeah, as you can see, that's the front end, and then you can also the second link to view the back end. That's all.